How to fix Facebook screen size. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're also having trouble with your Facebook screen size and you want to fix it, so here's what you need to do. So first thing first, just head over to your Play Store because it might be the issue regarding any of the box causing your Facebook screen size error. Or so just head over to Play Store, Google Play Store, and simply search in for Facebook application itself and just tap on this. And as you can see, currently the Facebook application update has arrived, and you can just tap on this update to fix any of the bugs which might be causing such type of problem on your application itself. So just update your application from over here. So once it updates, you can also try heading over to your settings of your device and simply head over to the apps section and just locate or find the Facebook application itself. And once you're inside your Facebook application, simply scroll down and click on this storage option and just try clearing all the cache from over here and just come back. And once you do that, another thing what you can do or perform is simply come over to your settings page once again and just head over to the display settings this time. And once you're inside your display settings, just scroll all the way down until you see the option that is font size and style. So just select it, and from over here you can basically increase or decrease your font size just like this based on the choice that you want, that you prefer. And you can readjust if the font size is causing your Facebook screen error as well. So once you do all of those actions I mentioned previously, you should be successfully fixing your Facebook screen size. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.